Okay, welcome back, people. By popular request by both of you who watch these videos, I'm going to give a little update on the Banjo adventure. When we last left off, I was still working through two songs. There was, let me look it up real quick. Boil Them Cabbage Down, and then Shady Grove. So let me go ahead and give you an update on those. So here we go. So those are those two songs that I have been working on. And the next song is Worried Man Blues. I've been working on this. I'm not really all that good at it yet, but we're going to go ahead and let you hear. Okay, let me start over on that one. Here we go. Worried Man Blues. And then the next one is a couple little breaks from Cripple Creek. I'll try that again. Well, you get the point. Anyway, that's the update so far. You can go back and watch the other videos and see how I've been progressing through the banjo if you want to, if you're just now tuning in. If you liked it, go ahead and leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and remember to subscribe because Terry and I have some big announcements coming after the first of the year. Which you might be able to figure out by the echo in the room, and the astute person may have noticed that there's a very conspicuous lack of furniture. So anyway, remember to leave a comment down below, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and thanks for watching.